Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. In a collaborative effort, Dr. ING Philipp Otter, co-founder and Deputy CEO of Autarcon, Germany, has partnered with PHED BTC to revolutionize safe drinking water access. Leveraging cutting-edge German technology, they have devised a solution to disinfect water, combating the dangers of diseases like diarrhea and other diseases caused by unsafe drinking water. Watch this exclusive report.
So we are here at the Public Health Engineering Department, and we have seen you have come all the way from Germany. So what inspired you to come over here?
There are these wonderful water treatment projects together with the Jaljeevanmission, and with these projects lots of new villages are being supplied with safe drinking water with these new stations. However, the last step of water treatment, the disinfection of the water, is not yet fully considered with the Jaljeevanmission projects, and we are working on these projects to improve the situation.
So how did you come to know about this mission over here in India, and then especially here in Dotma you are here? So how did you find it out?
With this, we are working for a couple of years with Autarcon in India in different states, and through research collaborations with different universities we have established good contacts to Guwahati, to rural Assam, and also to Kokrajhar. And near Kokrajhar we were looking for a new water supply scheme in order to install one of our disinfection systems. New because when it's a new station it's easy to install, and we could already be taking part in the planning process to integrate the station very smoothly.
So this is basically about the safe drinking water for the public?
It's about safe drinking water. The water is already supplied with the Jaljeevanmission projects. However, to render the water microbial free of pathogens that cause diarrhea and other intestinal diseases, this station now, or the project, will now take care about it and disinfect the station, disinfect the water, will produce safe drinking water.
Okay, so can you tell us about something about the technology that you have brought in here, and how does it work?
The big challenge in rural areas is where to get the chlorine that is required to disinfect the water. And usually chlorine powder or chlorine stock solution is not easily to be supplied, stored and dosed. So this is all what the station takes over. It takes salt, and from this salt, together with a little bit of water, it is producing a chlorine solution which is then automatically stored and then automatically dosed in the right concentration to keep the water safe.
Okay, so we directly talked about the project, but then we skipped the part to know about you. So could you tell us, if you feel comfortable sharing, could you tell you came from a university?
Yeah, I'm coming from a company, but I'm also affiliated to university work, and I am an environmental engineer, and I'm an expert in drinking water as well as wastewater treatment, especially in remote areas where there are no central water supply and wastewater treatment systems available.
How is your experience here in Kokrajhar Bodland?
Oh, I really much appreciate it. The people are very nice. I was able to stay in the village. I feel very privileged to be working here, and I hope for future collaboration.
Okay, so lastly, what message would you like to give to the people over here?
Make sure that you drink safe drinking water, because only then you can prevent many diseases.